How to remove urine stains from upholstery. Blot the urine stain using a towel. Be careful not to spread the stain into other parts of the furniture. Mix 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 cups of cold water. Dip a clean white cloth into the solution and gently sponge the stain. If the urine stain is still visible after repeating these steps, apply a few drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You can follow by applying a few drops of ammonia to the stain. Using a clean cloth, dab the area with cold water until the chemicals are removed. Blot dry the area with paper towels or use a vacuum to remove any moisture. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.